Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are transferring data from PS4 to PS5 and it is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will guide you to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. Solution first, update firmware on both consoles. Make sure both your PS4 and PS5 are updated to the latest firmware version. For it, go to the settings, then click on the system software and then system software update and setting on each console and check for updates. This often resolves compatibility issue during transfers. Solution 2. Use a wired connections. Connect both consoles directly by the Ethernet cables either to your router or directly to each other. This method reduces network interference and makes the transfer faster and more reliable. Solution 3. Restart your router. Power cycle your router or unplugging it for 30 seconds and unplug it back in. Once your network is stable, try the transfer again. A router reboot often clear out connectivity issue that can interrupt data transfer. Solution 4. Retry the data transfer process. If the issue persists, restart both the console and retry data transfer by going to the setting and then click on the system and system software and then data transfer on your PS5. Restarting both consoles before retrying often clearing minor software glitches. Solution 5. Try alternative transfer method. If standard network transfer doesn't work, try transferring data via USB or by using cloud storage if you are having a PlayStation Plus. This method can sometimes bypass network relatable to issue entirely. If all the solution is fail, then considering backup of your data and performing a factory reset on your PS5. This can resolve underlying system error but should be done as a last resort after all other troubleshooting options. So by these methods you can fix your problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.